Evaluation is considered one of the important elements of language curriculum design. And let's see its significance for language teaching at smaller scale, at the level of classroom. But before we proceed with the discussion about evaluation, I would just like you to, pause the video for a while and think about some of the questions, given here. What do you understand by the term evaluation? Secondly, what are different factors which could influence the process of evaluation? Thirdly, how does evaluation help monitor learners' progress? And lastly, how does evaluation help learners become independent students or learners? You could pause the video and think and then relate your own, ideas to the discussion taking place in this module. Right. Well, what's the significance? What's the significance of evaluation for language teaching? It has got strong like content and sequencing, like goals, like principles, like format and presentation. It's got strong because it helps make key decisions, key judgments, primarily at the level of quality of the course, how the course is progressing, and whether the course is successful or not. This is how we can collect information through evaluation. So it's considered small-scale research, and the tools to be used in evaluation are like questionnaires, interviews, observation, or semi-structured group interviews, right? So although it has got, wider scope in terms of analyzing the overall quality of a course, its success or its weaknesses or its strengths. So when we talk about evaluation, we come across questions of or issues of reliability, validity, and practicality. Whether our evaluation is reliable, whether it could be considered trustworthy, valid, whether it's practical. So, and this could be, balanced with the use of some effective research tools, which I mean to say questionnaires, interviews, and semi-structure or observation patterned according to in the light of the existing research on these tools or research tools, right? Well, when we talk about evaluation, we can think the role of the teachers as all the more pivotal, because it's the teacher who is giving opinions about what's happening in the classroom, how the course is taking place. There could be some external stakeholders coming into the institute or to your classroom doing some evaluation. And we might be using, for example, the use of some tools, as like I said before, the questionnaires, interviews, semi-structured interviews, or observation, and there are some action research as well. But bear in mind, when we are actually undertaking the process of evaluation, we should first have a first-hand knowledge of the existing literature on research, and we should make some key and informed decisions about evaluation, right? You might be wondering, there are some questions which we experience on daily basis. So one of them is this course going well? This is how we can understand through evaluation. Are learners satisfied? If not, what could be done then? Right. Am I satisfied with the course? It's important because it allows us as teachers to make informed decisions about our understanding of the course. Would other teachers think my course is good? Inviting other teachers to come and evaluate, right? How can I improve it? This is important. And how was today's lesson? You might plan now. You might take up the idea of doing evaluation and think how your lesson is going, or what areas you need to improve if you are, for example, teaching in a school or college level. Will I get through the course book by the end of the course? Very important one. So it's the evaluation that lets us know about the progress, overall progress of the course. So evaluation in brief is, although its scope is bigger, as we have already seen this, topic in greater length in some of our previous modules. But the reason why we have revisited this topic is it could be, related to the level of language teaching at the classroom level.